In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your username on Snapchat. Your username is your unique identifier on the platform, and while you can change it, remember that you can only do so once a year. So let's get started. 1. Open Snapchat and tap on the gear icon in My Profile to access Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the My Account section. Tap on Username to proceed. Under Username, tap on the option that says Change Username. And then enter your desired new username in the provided field, and then tap Next to continue. To confirm the username change, you'll need to enter your password for verification. After entering your password, tap on Confirm to finalize the process. Once confirmed, your username will be updated across Snapchat. Remember, your display name is different from your username. Your display name is how you appear on Snapchat and can be customized anytime. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.